going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you on this 2020 Chevy Silverado what happens if you take out the door handle and you shut it before you tighten up your little Torx nut that you use to release the door handle from the door itself. If you shut it and you don't tighten that back up, you won't be able to get the door open. If you want to see how to take out the door handle the proper way, check out the video. We're going to link it below in the description. So this is just the fix that if you happen to shut it before you tighten that Torx nut back up, this is how you can get the door back open. Key here is if the door's shut and you can't get it open, you're going to want to take out this nut right here. It's the Torx bit, or it's also a 7mm hex head. So I got my socket here. I want to take this out real quick, and by doing so, you're going to free up the mechanism behind the door that holds the door handle in place. Now that you got that nut out, you can actually move this piece here. You're going to use both fingers, and what you're going to want to do is, try to maneuver it forward as much as possible, and kind of finagle it so you can get your Torx screwdriver here that you're using to take out the door handle. You want to slide it in here until you get to where that nut is, and go ahead and tighten that back up. So it'll take a little bit of work. It's possible to do it. So like I said, you just finagle that door mechanism behind here until you get your screwdriver, your Torx nut wrench in there, and you can tighten that back up. Then once you get that tightened, it's all a matter of placing that door handle mechanism back behind where it goes and putting that nut back in. The fix is pretty simple. It's easy to do. It just takes some time. The key here is just to take that nut out and just slide the door handle mechanism wherever it needs to go. That way you can get your Torx wrench in there and tighten that nut back up. And once you do that, you're good to shut the door, open it from the inside like you normally would. So when you're putting everything back together, you got two little clips right here. They're going to lock in place. That way you have the door handle, the backing in where it actually is supposed to go. It's in the proper location. And like I said, just tighten this nut back up, and you'll be good to open the door and shut it. So just like that, that's the fix how to do it if you forget and don't tighten up that Torx nut. The easiest thing to do is just tighten up, then you don't have to worry about it. So like I said, that's the fix right there. Hope this guys helps. If you have any questions or anything like that, leave a comment below.